Okay, now that the first storm has gone by, everybody's dug out. It's melting a little bit. Just be careful of the roads for the next couple of days at night because some of these areas in the mountains in northeastern PA and the lower highlands can get down to freezing or close to it, especially I think Sunday night can get down pretty cold. So if there's any moist water on the road from melt off during the day, it can turn to ice at night. So just kind of be careful of that. The next thing we got to look forward to, we have a little rain system that moves through Monday night, and so. But the biggest thing, the next thing to look at here, is what might happen on Thanksgiving, and that's a travel day for a lot of people. This is around 2 o'clock in the morning on Thanksgiving morning, and you can see out in western PA, snow is starting to move in, and also a little bit of rain as it moves across the state. This is around 7 o'clock in the morning. You can see right here is the line where the heaviest precipitation would be in snow. And then to the south, as of right now, it looks like rain. I think this could actually go a little further south, but as of right now, that's the call. This takes you to around 11 o'clock. Here's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's starting to move north. Heavier snows in the North Jersey area, the Poconos again. And then as we get to around 8 o'clock in the evening on Thanksgiving, it's beginning to die down. This takes you to around 2 o'clock. Well, this takes you to around midnight, and you can still see the rain in Delaware and Jersey here, but snow is beginning to back off on the backside of the storm, and then it moves out. Now, this is around 5 in the morning. If the storm wraps up, it'll transfer from one low to another, and then it might back up a little bit and leave some back end snow on the backside of this. And if you remember my forecast earlier this year, I think in September, I said that we were going to have a lot of these episodes in southeastern PA, Jersey, that would start off as maybe some snow, switch over to rain, to be some ice, and then back to snow. It's kind of the way so far it's going, but it's still early. But all this stuff, when it adds all back up again, and then we get to, well, how much snow we're going to get. Again, this is just preliminary, but this is where it looks like right now. It looks like the heavier snow band is in the southern Poconos. Looks like the valley gets some here. It goes all the way down to Allentown and Reading. Stroudsburg, you get snow. Northern New Jersey gets snow. Out here close to Harrisburg, I'd say Sunbury, Williamsport, snow going back towards State College and then down towards Altoona and Johnstown. Be the shovelable snow. Everybody else might get a light coating. Doesn't quite make it down to Jersey here. But again, I kind of see this that could come a little further south. These things like to waffle back and forth, and I think this might waffle south the closer we get to Thursday. But in the long story short, Thursday is not going to be dry, and in some areas, Thursday might be a little hard to travel around. So I'm just giving you a heads up. We'll see if this changes at all as we get closer to Thursday. But again, remember, this is Saturday. So let's just see what happens. But I'm giving you a heads up in case you're making plans. All right, this is Fred. I will update this thing. It won't be tomorrow. Um, I'm going to see the Trans Siberian Orchestra, so it'll be pretty hard to do the weather with those guys. They're pretty loud. I will update this on Monday. All right, everybody take care. Be safe.